All right, guys, welcome to the Monday Direction Guide. The first half of this week, we're going to be looking at the Mongols. On Thursday, we kind of wrapped up with the Tang Dynasty being controlled by the Mongols. The Mongols had taken them over. So we're going to learn more about that specific group because they actually take over China and rule for a long period of time. So today, we're going to do a little reading guide on them. Just to give us some baseline knowledge, as always, kind of the main reason why we even do the readings in my mind, just to kind of get ourselves the basic information that we need so the notes and the videos make more sense. So that's what we're going through for today. Skip number 2 and skip number 9, and don't do this piece down here either. Just do terms 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you should be good to go. Email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great Monday.